Today I'm going to play Ceiling Fan Break 3. If we can break the fans, what will happen? I don't know whether it's a bomb or something. You kill people or something else. I could find because I want to break the fans. Nope, not at all. Broken the fans. Is that one fan which is broke in the fan break? No. Okay. Light goes on. Hey. Yay. Oh wait. It will be damn more. If we will jump on this one, what will happen? What? One, two, three. Why? I didn't think it will work or not. That was so funny that that's not. My God, that's too white. This is wild, right? What? This was that one. Wait, guys, that already not be insane. Let's continue with this owning. There's no light. They always sound like this. Because I don't know why they. Oh. Hmm. That's little shaky. Oh. Are you kidding me this time? Mm. Oh. I don't want these two. Let's on them again after that. Look at the design. This is all white and clear. That one is a little dirty. Wow. That's great. Again. It sounds like scary. You don't need any bronze. That's disturbed me. One will be non-light, one will be light. That's the choice. Oh. I will get that. First we have to turn on the light. That fan is making sound. Why that's making sound like this? Don't forget to share this videos. Wow. No. They are so hard to turn on. Yes. You got this. Oh, guys. Got this? Yeah. There are more? No. But the guys, I go turn them on. Still left. How that's off? That was my mistake to turn off that. That's little scribble on it. Okay, one fan is off because it's broken all day and day. If you like my video, subscribe and if you like the videos channel, subscribe and comment, share with your friends, and have more fun to deal with us. Bye guys. With this after we need to be fast. Can I show you fans? This isn't going to be proper. Let me try to off the fans. That will be not a great idea. I think maybe not. Hello, can be my friend? You are my already friend, okay? You are my friend, okay? That's good. I turned all the fans on.